As I said, it's a crop top with a circle skirt. So we are done with our crop top and now we are going to move on with our circle skirt. So I've already folded my fabric and it's just simple. We fold it into two, then you take the other side and make sure that you have this shape. Then you can start cutting. Our client waist is 29 and I want the skirt band to come up a little bit so that when she wears a crop top, her stomach wouldn't show. So I'm going to reduce her waist measurement by 1 and that will give us our new waist measurement 28. So we are going to work with 28 as the waist measurement instead of 29. So what do we do next? The next thing we do is to divide our waist measurement by 4. So let's divide 28 by 4. This one. So it's going to give us a total of 7 for each. And you might be wondering why I didn't subtract any 2 inches because I'm going to use the other 2 inches for the zip allowance. So I'm going to work with 7 instead of working with 6. So I'm taking my waist measurements. We have 7 there. 7 and 7 here. You can see that. So we just connect your line like that. And mostly what I do is so I just went ahead to mark my measurements. So I have 7 here. I have 7 here as well, 7 here, and that's it. So I just connect my points. So now that we are done with the waist, we are going ahead to mark the length of our skirt. Remember, the length of our skirt is 26. So I'm not going to cut exact 26. I'm going to make it 28. So that at the end of the day, we can hem 2 in and we will achieve 26 as the length of our circle skirt. So let's go with the length of our circle skirt. So we have here 26. Like I said, I'm not going to use the exact 26. I'll use 20. Use 27. 28. Sorry, I said 28 here. 28 here. 28. 28 here. 28 here. So I'm just going ahead and connect my points. So connecting, I hope you can see that. Going ahead to connect the points. So watch me as I do that. So I'm just connecting the point. Alright, the free hand. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and cut it out. So I always prefer cutting more than So take note of what I'm going to do here. So I can decide to cut just at the edge of my pattern, but I'm just going ahead to cut SS just to get a safer hand. So Just want to look at that. Front and back is entirely gone. So now I can straighten out this a little bit for it to achieve the mark. So here we are. We are done with our circle skirt. So you see this, the patterns still came very well. We have this and the right and the left, and this here. And so from this we are going to take our band and fold them to have our zip. And I'll just take my measurements, my waist measurements, and I hope you see the back. So this is the back, this is going to be the back of our circle skirts. I hope you can see that. This is going to be the back end. We are going to fold in our zipper allowance. That is the zipper allowance. We're going to fold in our zipper allowance. You see that? You see that? Yeah. And it looks so beautiful. So what we need to do for the band is, alright, let me explain this. I want my zip to pass through the band. I mean, I don't want to have a hook and I had my waistline. I want when you open the zip with the band, they should all open. So what you need to do to achieve that, you just have to take the entire thing we have here. I'm going to take the measurement of this. Then I'll create a band of this. Then after fitting the band, and I'll fold in and fit my zip. So let me just show you quickly how you can achieve that. Yes, the measurements are so. I hope you can see this. Hope you can see that. Hope you can see so beautiful. So now let's take the waist measurements. So what I will do is, what I'm going to do here is I'll pin it. I'm just going to pin it. I'm going ahead to pin. You can see this. So I'll go ahead and pin this. Now I'll take the measurements, and whatever I get here is what I'm going to use for my band. So taking the waist measurement. Very good. I'm having 15.5, and that is going to be. That's going to be. Let me just quickly take that again. Sorry. Yeah. So this is 15. That is it means the band is going to be 30 inches. And remember that I told you I'm going to use. Why is it 30? I measured here, and it is folded. Look at this, this is folded. So 15 plus 15, we are going to have 30. And I'm going to use, the waist measurement is what? Is 28. And I said earlier that I'm going to face a zip. So I'm going to take 2 inches here. So 30 minus 2 is going to, we are going to be left with 28. So 2 for the zipper and 20 is for the waist measurement. so it's very correct. We had it just as we wanted it to be. So we are going ahead to create a band for this. And before that, we need to cut the line for this as well, so that we will have a neat finishing as well. I'm just going to attach it to my circle skirt. So what I'll do for this one is, so you realize that the lining is at the right side of the fabric. So I'll go ahead and sew half an inch, and after that I'll turn it in. Very good. Before we set our band. Or it's in two ways. If I like as well, what I can do is I'll sew from the down here, because I'm going to insert a band. I'll just sew from the down here, then I'll go by that. I'll sew half an inch here, then I'll turn it to finish the edges of my circles. So I don't need to hem the edges. Then I'll just go ahead and face my band. And as I said earlier, our band is going to have 13 inches wide. It's going to be 30 inches long. And 5. So like I said, I want to have 2 inches wideness band. So that's when I had to take 5 inches. 5. Also 5 here. And I'm going to connect to the point. Remember, the length of the band is 30. Obviously, what I'm cutting here is not 30, so we need to do some adjustments. We need to cut and join. As I said, I don't really like it. It doesn't really work with me, but sometimes when it's critical, I have to go back. So I'll just go ahead and cut an interface as the stiff for this, so that my band will stand very well. So this is for my band. And my client said she needs a pocket. So it is going to be a front pocket at the side and side. So I'm just going ahead to cut a cute pocket. You can see that. Let's go ahead and create this. So I'm going to put a link below. Okay, I'll just fold here, press it, fold the side, make sure they are all the same, that is, they are equal. Then I want to do this. Hope we are paying attention. Yeah. This, then I fold on that, and I make it, because I want to have, if you like to, you can just fold like this and make your top stitches, then you are okay with your pocket, and that is it. And my client said she wants to have some small bow ties, flying on the pocket, so I'm just going ahead to do that as well. So I fold this into two, So probably is the center. I'm going to go ahead and she wants to have one at the top there, so what I'll do is I'll split this. I don't want to have it too big. It's looking so fine. So I just want to split this. So what I'll do is I'll fold like this. I'll fold like this. I'll sew from here, I'll close everything. I'll make sure a notch at the center, and I'll turn them out. So that is just for the bullseye on the pocket before we attach it to and she wants to, we are going to make a roll for the back, remember? We are going to make a roll here so that we can tie the neck. We don't want to leave it just open like this. So, we've done some so we'll do some this. Place on this if I want them to be equal. Place like this. So for our rope 2, we do a turn like this. I'm going to sew from here to here, then I'll turn. Then after that, after turning it, I'll fold in and make a top stitch so I have a neat finishing. So this is for our rope. And on the rope there, she wants a bow tie sew. I'll use one of this to see. Alright. So that's all for today's tutorial, and if you are new to my channel as usual, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also tap on the bell so that whenever I upload a new video you are always notified. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.